Hello and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Skyriss.
Alibaba jumped 4.3% on Tuesday to close at $130.82, driven by the launch of its advanced multimodal AI platform. The Nikkei index surged 3% on Wednesday to fresh record highs, fueled by continued investor enthusiasm for artificial intelligence opportunities. U.S. natural gas futures dropped to around $3.16, extending their pullback from a three-month high amid weaker LNG export demand. The euro traded at around $1.16 on Wednesday, as investors processed mixed signals from Eurozone inflation data and the Middle East conflict. Bitcoin plunged nearly 7% to around $66,000, as heavy ETF outflows, corporate sales, and forced liquidations rattled investor confidence. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 2 p.m., the U.S. to release the Services Purchasing Managers Index for May, following 53.6 in April. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the factory orders of April, following 1.5% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 9 a.m., the retail sales in the euro area are expected to decrease, after reaching -0.1% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the initial jobless claims of May 30th, following 215,000 in May 23rd.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.